How good is your Spanish? Let's find out. You have to say the Spanish word before the time runs out. Can you get them all right? Let's begin. How do you say dog? Perro. How do you say cat? Gato. How do you say bird? Pájaro. How do you say fish? Pez. How do you say cow? Vaca. How do you say horse? Caballo. How do you say pig? Cerdo. How do you say chicken? Pollo. How do you say duck? Pato. How do you say sheep? Oveja. How do you say apple? Manzana. How do you say banana? Banano. How do you say orange? Naranja. How do you say lemon? Limón. How do you say grapes? Uvas. How do you say strawberry? Fresa. How do you say watermelon? Sandía. How do you say pineapple? Piña. How do you say mango? Mango. How do you say pear? Pera. How do you say bread? Pan. How do you say egg? Huevo. How do you say cheese? Queso. How do you say milk? Leche. How do you say water? Agua. How do you say juice? Jugo. How do you say coffee? Café. How do you say tea? Té. How do you say rice? Arroz. How do you say pizza? Pizza. How do you say spoon? Cuchara. How do you say fork? Tenedor. How do you say knife? Cuchillo. How do you say plate? Plato. How do you say cup? Taza. How do you say glass? Vaso. How do you say bottle? Botella. How do you say chair? Silla. How do you say table? Mesa. How do you say bed? Cama. How do you say door? Puerta. How do you say window? Ventana. How do you say key? Llave. How do you say book? Libro. How do you say pencil? Lápiz. How do you say pen? Bolígrafo. How do you say paper? Papel. How do you say bag? Mochila. How do you say phone? Teléfono. How do you say computer? Computadora. How do you say car? Carro. How do you say bus? Autobús. How do you say train? Tren. How do you say bicycle? Bicicleta. How do you say airplane? Avión. How do you say boat? Barco. How do you say house? Casa. How do you say school? Escuela. How do you say hospital? Hospital. How do you say store? Tienda. How do you say tree? Árbol. How do you say flower? Flor. How do you say grass? Césped. How do you say sun? Sol. How do you say moon? Luna. How do you say star? Estrella. How do you say cloud? Nube. How do you say rain? Lluvia. How do you say snow? Nieve. How do you say fire? Fuego. How do you say ball? Pelota. How do you say toy? Juguete. How do you say clock? Reloj. How do you say watch? Reloj de pulsera. How do you say shoe? Zapato. How do you say sock? Calcetín. How do you say shirt? Camisa. How do you say pants? Pantalón. How do you say hat? Sombrero. How do you say jacket? Chaqueta. How do you say hand? Mano. How do you say foot? Pie.
How do you say eye?
Ojo.
How do you say ear?
Oreja.
How do you say nose?
Nariz.
How do you say mouth?
Boca.
How do you say head?
Cabeza.
How do you say hair?
Cabello.
How do you say baby?
Bebé.
How do you say family?
Familia.
How do you say boy?
Niño.
How do you say girl?
Niña.
How do you say man?
Hombre.
How do you say woman?
Mujer.
How do you say heart?
Corazón.
How do you say gift?
Regalo.
How do you say money?
Dinero.
How do you say balloon?
Globo.
How do you say cake?
Pastel.
How do you say ice cream?
Helado.
How many did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments. And if you want to keep improving your Spanish, watch one of our other videos.